Hello everyone, we are back. Is that the new intro? Lekker maar lag. Anyways, today we're making a mussel meat stir fry with sticky rice. And this is just whatever ingredients we have in the fridge. If you feel like making something different for the family, this is it. Okay, we've got some oil in the pan. The heat is on. And what we're going to add now is your half of the green onions. Or maybe a quarter. No, half is. There we go. And then your garlic and ginger. So we're not using normal onions here, we're using green onions. Garlic and ginger to your taste, about a tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon of ginger. Your peppers, assorted colors, just throw it in, cut it any way you like. Now this is there we go. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to throw in the black pepper. We're not throwing in salt because we're going to add fish sauce. Teaspoon of black pepper. Some turmeric and some fish masala. You can use seafood masala, whatever spice you like. This is, make it your own. Okay? About 1 heaped tablespoon of my fish masala. Maar nou gaan nog een beetje verliefd. Okay, now we're just going to stir fry this for a few minutes. And we'll just up the heat. There we go. There we go. Lekker. Oh, you get it niet so eat. You can eat it just so with butter and bread. Looky. Okay, now we're going to add 400 grams of just mussels without the shell. I bought this at Pick n Pay. Yeah, it was in the freezer and we thought also we're going to use it up. Okay, now we're going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes and we'll be right back. So now it's just a matter of, the mussel meat. Obviously you don't have to cook it long. And we still want a little bit of crunch in the vegetables. Now we're going to add just a small dash of fish sauce. Fish sauce, few drops, that is our seasoning. Just show the fish sauce, the label, so if people know how to buy it. There we go. And if you don't have fish sauce, just throw in a small bit of salt. Okay, nog een beetje Nadia. Let me see. There we go. And if you taste it later and you feel like you need to add a bit more, just add a bit more. Okay? It's to your taste. About a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. No, is that dark soy? Dark soy. Yeah. Gooi hom net so Nadia, moenie worry nie. I'll say when. Nog een beetje. Couple of tablespoons, yes. There we go. Okay. You also want your heat to be up. There high. Now stir. Lekker. Looks good. Now we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of chopped coriander, fresh coriander. If you don't have it in the fridge, don't worry, you don't have to throw it in. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of sticky rice that we cooked with some salt and turmeric. And you can use any rice for this. We're using the sticky rice, we're loving it. Los hom net so asof jy mine is plastic. Now when this is done, the mussel stir fry, you can choose if you want to dish it on top of the rice as a scoop, or you can mix it through like we're going to do it. And that's the best part of sticky rice. It sticks to your fingers. Nog 'n bietjie. Sticky rice. Jy gou 'n roetjie na dit. Of 'n klein bietjie, ja, dat dit kan vee gaan. So it can go far, guys, so a lot of people can eat from it. And now we're just going to stir fry this, or just let it sit for in the heat for a minute or 2 so the rice can get the flavors. Wil jy 'n bietjie water bygooi? So 'n skootjie water. Okay. Die wasmachine. There we go. Lekker. Now everything comes loose there at the bottom. And then we're just going to close it for a few minutes. Yeah? And then we're going to switch it off. Yeah, I'm getting an incoming video call, but I'm not putting up. No. And now we're going to close it with a lid for a few minutes, and then we'll be right back, guys. Okay. Now we're going to switch off the heat, because we'll put it on low. Nancy, that's it. Okay, also low. It's nice. Ooh, nice. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of the green onion and some toasted sesame seeds. Gooi alles in daar, vir die crunch, lekker. And then the sesame seeds. There we go. And there we go. That's our supper. Mussel stir fry with sticky rice. Yummy in my tummy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. And we're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And we'll be back again with another video soon. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.